Student handout 5, percent of change. Percent of change describes the change over time by either an increase or a decrease. It can be solved using a percent proportion in which the values are plugged into the formula below. Percent divided by 100 equals change divided by original. Change can be represented by the difference between the new and the original values. All right, use your understanding of percent change to complete the table below. Round all your answers to the nearest tenths place. So, a gallon of milk costs $2.79 in 2000, and in 2020 it costs $3.98. So the original was the 2000, so it's $2.79. The new cost is $3.98. So the change, or the difference, is $1.19. So we're looking for the percent out of 100 that equal the change of $1.19 to the original of $2.79. All right, notice we can just look at it and we can see that there was an increase in price. Oh, let's see here. There was an increase in our cost. And if we do our fish method, that gives us 42%, 42.7%. All right. A frozen pizza cost $3 in 2000, and in 2020 it cost $2.50. So the original price was $3. The new price is $2.50. The change is 50 cents. So if we want to know the percent out of 100, it would equal the change of 50 cents over the original of $3, which would give us 100 times 0.5 divided by 3, which equals 16.7%. So that is a decrease, though, because the price went down. So we would write our answer as negative 16.7%. Okay, a jumbo-sized movie, popcorn, cost $8.20 in 2000. In 2020, it cost $10.65. So $8.20 is the original, $10.65 is the new. The difference in price is $2.45. Percent over 100 equals that $2.45 divided by $8.20. Gives us 100 times 245 divided by 820. It's an increase of 29.9%. All right, the next side. Okay, Dustin bought a DVD player that was marked down from $150 to $100. A video game console was $250, but the price was dropped by 15%. So which device has the greatest percent decrease? All right, so we know the decrease for the video game console was 15%, so we just need to know if the DVD player was marked down more than 15%. So we need to know the percent out of 100 for the change, which was $50, out of the original, which was $150. So we need to do 100 times 50 divided by 150, which gives us 33.3%. So the DVD player is the winner. A sweater is marked down from $25 to $19. What is the percent of change? All right, so we need to know the percent out of 100. For the change, it was $25, and the change was $6. That's going to equal negative 24%. Remember, if it's marked down, we need to use a negative. The 7th grade class had a 15% increase in enrollment. Last year, the 7th grade class had 280 students. How many students enrolled in the 7th grade class this year? All right, so we had a 15% decrease, so we had negative 15% over 100%. And the original was 280 students. So the original goes on bottom, and we want to know how many. This X is going to tell us the change in students. So we need to find that first. So that gives us 280 times 0.15 divided by 100, which equals, let's do some fast calculator math. 280 times 0.15 divided by 100 is 42. All right, now we need to take that 42. So our original was 280. The change was 42, so we need to subtract that off. And that will give us 238 students. That's how many were enrolled in the 7th grade class this year. All right, Randall's monthly water bill from April to July is listed in the table below. What was the percent increase in his bill from May to July? So May would be the original. So we're going to divide, that would go on the bottom. The change will be 136.50 minus 78, which equals 58.5. Okay, and that is going to be equal to the percent over 100, which would be 100 times 58.5 divided by 78 equals 75%. All right. Now, and let's hold on. Okay. Enrollment in the PTA increased by 35% this year. Last year, there were 160 members in the PTA. How many PTA members are involved this year? All right, so we had an increase of 35 out of 100%. And last year, the original was 160, so we need to know what the change is, and then we need to figure out how much that makes it, how many people were involved. So we need to do 160 times 35 divided by 100. That equals 160 times 35 divided by 100 is 56, and it was an increase. We need to add that to last year, so 56 plus 160 equals 216 members. A pair of socks is purchased at wholesale for $2. It is then sold to the customer for $4. What's the percent increase? All right, so the original price of the socks was $2. The change is $2 out of 100, so we do 100 times 2 divided by 2 just equals 100. So 100% is our increase. 100% increase. right. Now Eugene earns $2,700 a month. He is going to receive a 3.5 raise. With this new raise, he believes he will earn more than $2,800 a month. Is Eugene correct in his thinking? Why or why not? Justify your reasoning. First, let's figure out how much is a 3.5% raise. So how much will his increase be over $2,700 if he's getting 3.5% of 100? All right, so we need to do 2,700 times 3.5 divided by 100, and that is going to equal $94.50. So he will not make $2,800 because his increase will only be $94.50, which leaves him at $27.94.50 for his new salary. So we have to add that increase back to his new salary.